Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you a few dresses I got for the summer, which hopefully I can wear them, but you already know what's happening around this world. But I wanted to go shopping because finally the malls opened up, Ross opened up. I was protecting myself, I was wearing a mask, so don't worry about that. But I was bored, I needed to get out the house, and I ended up getting a few items. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching, and remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. It will really help out my channel. I would gladly appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. So let's get started with the video. My first dress is I'm obsessed with, and it's the one I'm wearing. And I got this at Forever 21. Forever 21, they didn't let you try on clothes, which is understandable because they're trying to get people in and out. But this is a size small. I was so excited. I took a risk. It was only size small in these dresses, so I was like, crap, hopefully I could fit it. I did lose 40 pounds as of yesterday, so I'm excited, and I finally fit a small again, which is like yay. But anyways, as you can see, hopefully the top part is very booby. I don't have much boobies, but it is what it is. But you can see a little gap. You can actually see my tattoo, and it's like buttons down just like that, and then the back is just super simple. It's super cute, and here it is fully. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And it's very it has pockets. You know, dresses with pockets are like, anyways, I'm a dork. But yeah, a little twist here, and then a gap like I stated. It's very comfortable. Sometimes my under boob does start going low. I have more under boob than upper boob. But anyways, that is my first outfit. It's cute. So I'll talk about the other dresses, and then I will show it on the screen or here, anywhere, of me trying it on, so you guys can see how it looks like, and I will tell you how much it cost. This dress cost, I forgot. This dress cost $23. It is, I mean, I think it's a good price. I think it was like $23.99. But anyways, this is not clothes related, but I got these little, what are these? Little pinches, so you could put so you can put in your hair. I got this at Forever 21. It was $2.99. What else did I get? Oh, okay. So the other dress I got at Forever 21, I also couldn't try it on, so I took a risk. I took a risk. This is a size medium. The reason why I got a medium, this was $22.99. The reason why I got a medium is because it is it's not much stretchy, even though in the back has like a stretchy material. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super cute. It's floral because everything in my life is floral. The straps are, you tie it on, the straps, and then it's kind of like ruffled at the bottom, if you guys could tell. Super cute. And like I said, it's probably going to be here while I talk about it. It fits me pretty well. Usually things that don't stretch as much doesn't really go like stretch on my hips, but like I said, I did lose weight, so it did fit me, and I was pretty happy about that. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. But what you wanna do now was to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love. That is it from Forever 21. And then I don't know about you guys, but we have this core. I don't know about you guys, but we got this store at the mall called Francesca's, and I got a couple dresses there, and then some sunglasses, which I'll show you. Here are the sunglasses. It's cute. Okay, so my next two outfits are rompers. The first one is this stripe and it has like print. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see the print? Yeah. And it's kind of low cut, not too low, but it's fine. And it does strap here so the shoulders don't like fall off. It looks pretty short, but it isn't, I promise. It has I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to clothes. It has a little strap around it so you could tie. You don't necessarily need that, but I'll do it just so I can get a better waist because my waist is kind of wide. You'll see. And it is stretchy right here. And you'll see it on. I think this is pretty cute. It's like a little, I don't know. I took a risk because at first I didn't like it as much, but I put it on. I was like, oh, that's cute, I guess. But this was $44, so it was $22 after the discount. And my second romper that I got was this. It's so pretty. Like the color, everything's so pretty. The print, the bottom, it has a strap. It doesn't have much of a stretch here, but it still fit perfectly fine. It is a size small. And that dress I showed you was a size medium. See, my body's all over the place. It depends on the material. I could either be a size small or a size medium. But I thought this was super cute. It's also low cut here. The chest area. It zips down, which is, thank God. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. And this was... It was for free because there's no price. No, I think this was the same price, $44, and then originally, and then 50% off. All from Francesca's, and then I went to Ross. Guys, they were having sales and I didn't think nothing of it. I just went in there just to look. There was a huge line. If you guys follow me on social media, you would have known that. If you haven't, follow me, Style by Rosario. So you guys don't miss out on video updates and all that good stuff. So I got another dress, and it has like buttons, cute little buttons. You'll see it. And has pockets. You already know the pockets. It does look super short, but it is fine. The back is stretchy, and it has a little wrap so you can wrap around. Guys, guess how much this shit cost? Oh, guess how much this costs? This costs $7.49. Like, really? You can't sleep on Ross. They be having cute stuff. It is a little bit padded here, so if you have small boobies like me, you don't need a bra because it is padded and you won't. Anyways, but this is pretty cute. I had to get it. I mean, come on now, $7.49, definitely had to get it. And fits pretty well. This is a size medium though. It is a little bit too tight on me up here, you guys will see, but it's super cute. And the final things I got from Ross are shoes, which I am obsessed with because I've been wanting these type of shoes for a very long time. But online they were like $40, $50, $60, and I was like, nobody got money for that. So when I went to Ross and seeing how much they cost, I was like, what? Let me show you. Okay, so the first one, don't mind that, that's where the thing tag was, are these flats. So cute. They were freaking $8.99, guys. Like $8.99 for these cute. I already wore them. But they're flat. They have a little bit of a heel here. I'm already kind of tall as it is, so these are perfect for me. They were super cute, super comfortable, I tell you that. And then I got a pair of black ones, more of a bigger heel. Well, it's not really a heel, it kind of goes through the whole thickness, but it's so cute. This was $10.99, still a great price for these type of shoes. These are so pretty. And then my last pair, these are like wedges, I guess. They have more of a heel but still thick here. This was also $10.99, and they are really comfortable, like super comfortable. They're strapped. You guys can see what kind of shoe style I like, and this is it. It's better than basic sandals because I'm not like a really sandal type of person. But that is it. I am going to do another fashion haul because I did order some things from ASOS. That's how, I think that's how you pronounce it. However, you guys are going to see if they fit me or not, because I don't know. I just put it in the cart hoping for the best that they fit me. But let me stop rambling on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember, put the bell on so you get notified every time I upload a video. I would greatly appreciate it. Share this video out, I will love that too. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite dress or romper, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.